guys, welcome back. It is time for another unboxing video. It's actually Halloween night. I got these boxes earlier in the week. My Vegan Cuts box, my Petit Vour Plus box. That's the one we're doing right now. But I was too busy, as per usual, to unbox them. So the way this works, we're going to talk about last month's box, what I liked, what I didn't like. We're going to unbox this month's box, and then we're going to talk pricing. Last month, I got the eye masks again, the hydrogel ones. They were fine. I mean, I love a good mask regardless, so I can't complain. But do I notice any difference in my eyes? No. The Radiance Whip little masks, they were good. They're not my favorite masks, but I did feel like it. I used it as an overnight mask because it says you can use it as an overnight mask or leave it on for a while. And I did notice that it made my skin feel a little bit tighter, so that's cool. The Mad Hippie Vitamin C Serum, I've had that before. I love that stuff. I think it's great. The Lip Lusher. So that, I really did like that one quite a bit. I'm very particular about my gloss and stuff, but that one was a really good one. I would purchase that. And the blush stick, that was really surprisingly good. I normally do a powder blush and a powder highlighter, but I actually liked this liquid blush. I thought it was quite good. So, that being said, let's take it down and unbox this month's Happy Mail Day Petit Vour Plus. And there's all that information if you are so inclined. Oh my gosh, we got more Belle Pierre HD Smoothing Primer. Don't mind my dirty nails, I just got off work. I love this stuff. When I had first used it, I was really unsure about it. I didn't like the smell. But it works really well, and the smell doesn't really bother me anymore. So, hallelujah. Oh, we got another product from Upcircle. This one is a face serum with coffee and rose hip oil. That's interesting. There is the ingredients. Morning and night, apply a few drops to your fingertips, massage your skin on your face and neck. For best results, apply after moisturizer. Interesting. I'm going to have to give that a try. Oh, what is this? It's a hand cream. Oh my god, this is going to smell so good. 100% pure, which I really like their brand. Like, I've used quite a few products from them so far, and I'm very excited about this. Vanilla Bean Hand Buttercream. I love vanilla smelling stuff, so I hope this smells good. We're going to have to give this one a try. And we got a little tin. Kupuku Seed Body Butter. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. It doesn't tell me what it is really, but I mean, it's a body butter, so I'm assuming it goes all over. And then we have a lipstick, Rachel Couture. We just got a lipstick in the other box too, so I'm excited. Henna. All right. Okay, so I'm super excited for quite a few of these. And I have to open up this hand cream, guys. I have to. Like, it's in my bones. Oh, that smells good. That smells lovely. Ooh, and it's very thick. Oh, that smells nice. Sweet, vanilla-y. Yeah, I'm already in love with the smell. This is the lipstick. Rachel Couture. Oh, it's very similar in color to the Vegan Cuts ones I got. This one's very matte. I think it's okay. It's a little bit darker than my natural color. It's very matte. It's not very hydrating on the lips.
So I don't know how I'll feel about that. Like, I have matte lipstick. It's a vibe. So sometimes I will use it and sometimes I won't. But yes, I'm very excited to try these products. So let's talk pricing.
All right, guys. So the Belle Pierre primer was $12. The hand cream, which smells amazing, by the way, is $16. The lipstick is $17. The body butter, this is just the sample, $5. They have two other sizes. They have a travel size and a full size that vary in price, but this one was $5. The face serum is $25, which makes it the big ticket item in this box, which makes our box grand total $75. So that is higher than Vegan Cuts, but not as high as it has been before. So I'm excited to try these products and get back with you on how I feel. Obviously, there is one product I already know how I feel about. So, but thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. And I will see you next time. Bye.